creamy chicken macaroni soup. In a medium heat, pour 250 water in a casserole. Then add the full cream milk, and 1 gram salt. Mix and let it boil. When it boils, add the clean chicken breast. Cook for about 3 minutes each side. After, remove from heat and keep aside the milk. We will use it later. Let it cool, then slice the chicken. In a heated pan, add unsalted butter and let it melt. Sauté the red onion and garlic. After, add the chicken hotdog and boiled chicken breast. Sauté for about 3 minutes. Remove from heat and set aside. In a pot, pour 800 ml water and milk from chicken simmer. Cover and let it boil. Add the raw elbow macaroni and raw shell macaroni. Mix as needed. Boil for about 5 minutes. Then add the following: pepper powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and 5 grams salt. Mix well. Next, add the carrots and potato. Combine well and cook for 3 minutes. Add together the following: chicken breast and chicken hotdog, cabbage, evaporated milk, and fish sauce. Mix well. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Our creamy chicken macaroni soup is ready. Serve hot! Do you like it? Make this button blue. So delicious! Like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and comment down below. Also, don't forget to follow and like us on Instagram and Facebook at AnnJoyable TV for new posts. Para happy you, happy me, happy tayo! Salamat! Thank you for watching!